And that's why you should never throw a disc at a drunk Dutchman. Speaking of which, Herbie, you've got the latest windmill windup update, right?
Exactly, Steve. The Windmill Windup registration closed recently, with over 120 teams hoping to secure one of only 80 spots. Just today, the organisation announced that Gummibärchen have been selected for the 2012 edition. Returning for the 6th time, they'll hope to beat their previous best rank of 9th back in 2007.
Thank you, Herbie. That's all for us here in the studio. Thank you for watching. And remember, the hammer is always a good option. Good night.
Gummibärchen? Gummibärchen. Bärchen. Gummibärchen.